Hi guys, it's Kim Pringer with the Ashley Peterson team at Promo Realty, and I'm here to tell you about our newest listing at 718 Swifts Highway. The sweeping panoramic view greets you as you step inside. This property has been thoughtfully updated and with timeless design in mind. The spacious open floor plan boasts new flooring throughout. The updated kitchen makes prepping a meal a joy. The primary suite, located on the main level, and features a redesigned private master bath with relaxing soaking tub and a custom tiled shower, giving you a spa-like feel. Downstairs, you'll find a beautifully finished living space, 3 bedrooms, a family room, and a very large theater room. Also currently unfinished and just waiting for you to make it your own is the sub-basement, ideal for a home gym or workshop. The options are endless. We don't want you to miss out on this home that boasts 4,000 square feet, 4 bedrooms, and 4 baths. So come in and take a look inside.